Good day, it's Gilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I am pouring on this lovely double thick canvas by Montmartre. It's a 30.5 by 30.5 centimetre. So I've done my prep and I've put masking tape on the bottom to keep my bottom clean, and my giant push pins which help you keep it up. Got things stuck on there. Anyway, so I did a really simplistic creation, botanical creation, and it was really beautiful colours, and you know, loads of people actually loved it. So I want to do it again, but I'm going to reverse the colours because I think I did mostly greens and then some botanical effects in purple. So I'm going to do the mostly purples and the botanical effects with the greens. You get my drift. I'm going to coat my canvas firstly just with white. I will be changing the colour of this actually. So I just want to give my canvas a coat of paint. So we'll quickly breeze through this. My canvases do come pre-treated with gesso, whatever you call it. So they don't actually need a base coat on, but this will just help when you're doing fluid art. It helps your paint flow. So there you go. So this is a nice little canvas, so it will be sold. There we go. That's a nice coat. I am going to, I said I'm going to reverse the colours on this, didn't I? So I'm going to start with this lilac. First of all, gonna. And I'm going to add some lighter lilac. So different shades of lilac. I think the other one I did was different shades of green. So I'm going to put the deep purple in there, the dark purple. So this is quite a simplistic one. Really use a bit more of that lighter stuff to go over my edges, be blown over the edges. I'll make sure I have got lots of the dark in there because it will really make it pop. So simplistic, isn't it? So far so good. I use my little mini blower. So just take your time with this. Take your time, she says.
Easy rider on the highway, station wagon going slow, windows open, you are basking in the bluegrass radio. It is easy now to see you with your hand out on the wind. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Pink azaleas by your driveway, shade our leisurely goodbyes. In your terry cotton sweater,
Still not 100% with that. Oh my goodness. We'll see, we'll see. If not, I'll start again. It's not too bad, not too bad. Okay, I'm gonna do my little botanical-y bits I said I was gonna do. I'm gonna add some, this is magenta. I'm going to add some Viridian green. Maybe I should have put this at the bottom to go so it looks like leaves. That's okay. Just take your time till you get it right. Blow these out now. And now I've just popped it, I think. Oh, it's took all my paint off, silly sausage. We'll work that out as we go along. If you find it takes all your paint off when you do the balloon, just drop a little bit more paint in there. It's no problem whatsoever. If you're looking for my pouring medium recipes, they're all in the description box underneath my videos, plus links to how you mix paints for beginners. Or if you need a bit of a refresher, if you've been doing it for a while and you need a refresher, it's all there. Well, I'm happy with that. That's not too bad. I thought that was going to be not a good one. So now I'll do some wispy bits out of it. I think that's okay. Not bad. Now you can let it dry and add a butterfly or I guess a butterfly or a hummingbird or just a bird. But I think that's okay as it is. It's just another little colour combo. You can actually like spritz some paint on there if you don't want it to look so just plain white there. You can spritz. Surely I'll try this one. I'll see if I put some paint on that, whether I can spritz it. You don't have to do this, obviously. It's just something else that... And then you spritz it, spritz it, spritz it. So it just adds a bit of colour in there without it looking... So there you go. How easy was that? Like I said, like you've seen me do, if you're not happy with it, you know, it's not where you want it to be, I mean, just scrape it off, change it round. So that can be any composition, like any way that you choose to have it. So I love these little bits, and on that nice canvas like that, that will be a really nice to sell in a frame or as it is, because it's a deep edge canvas. But I'm really happy with that. Let me know what you think, or you give it a go. So easy peasy lemon squeezy. Please take care. Remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please, please, please don't suffer in silence. Ring a family member or a friend or a helpline if that isn't available to you. Okay, my lovelies, please take care. Until next time, bye for now.
Easy rider on the highway, station wagon going slow, windows open, you are basking in the bluegrass radio. It is easy now to see you with your hand out on the wind. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Pink as